What's up, y'all? It is wash day. So I'm gonna be starting off by sectioning my hair into 4 different parts. And then you're gonna see me grab this squirt bottle, and what I'm doing is adding 1.3 FL ounces of apple cider vinegar and filling the rest of the bottle with warm water. Now, what I'm gonna be doing is squeezing this mixture into all sections of my hair, all 4 sections of my hair. This is gonna allow for the dirt on my scalp to loosen up so that I don't have to do much scrubbing when I shampoo my hair. This is kind of like a pre-pooing method that I like to use. Once I'm done saturating my scalp, I let that sit for about 30 minutes, and then I come back with my organic shampoo. In this video, I'm gonna be using my coconut milk shampoo, and I'm gonna section off all my sections into smaller sections. So I'm gonna end up with 4 sections in the back and 6 sections in the front, and you'll see what I'm talking about further along in the video. So I wet my hair with water, of course, and then I squeeze some shampoo into my palm, and I end up shampooing each section twice. I use this gentle scrubbing motion to loosen up the dirt that's on my scalp and to make sure that it's all removed. And I detangle with my fingers. I never use a comb or a brush when washing, or really I never use a comb or brush for much of anything. But when washing my hair, I do not use a comb or a brush. And then I rinse my hair of the shampoo and I twist. This helps me distinguish which parts of my hair have already been washed and which parts have not. We are almost done, and I just wanted to quickly address this. I know people always ask me if shampooing dries my hair out, and honestly, with the organics line, absolutely not. I've been committed to this line for 6 years now, and the only reason why I have such a dedicated relationship with this line is because they never dry my hair out. They never cause more breakage than I've already caused to myself. And honestly, if you just look at my twists, they still look moisturized. That is amazing. On that note, we're gonna move on to deep conditioning. So I'm gonna start off with my Organics Brazilian Keratin Therapy Conditioner as my base. You're also gonna need a aluminum cap, a ripe banana, coconut milk, and honey, and some oils that you'll see at the end. What I like to do is use 1 whole banana and throw it into a blender, add my conditioner into that blender as well. Then I add about 1/2 cup or 1/2 can of my coconut milk. Then I grab some honey. I really don't measure it, so you just gotta eye it. Then I add my olive oil, my extra virgin olive oil, my grapeseed oil, my tea tree oil, and avocado oil. Now I'm gonna blend all of those together, and you're definitely going to need a strainer. Do not skip this part, sis. This is so important not to get little chunks of banana in your hair. Allow all of that product to seamlessly flow through the streamer. Don't use a spoon to squish anything out. Just kind of shake the strainer. Did I say streamer? I meant strainer. What is it called? I don't know. Now we're taking an aloe vera leaf and we're gonna be cutting it up and using all of the insides of the leaf and throwing it in the blender. We're also gonna be scraping the gel off of the inside of the skin on the leaf. Throw that onto the blender, start blending all of that, and we're gonna be taking the strainer again to separate the gel from the chunks. Now that we have our aloe vera gel and our deep conditioner prepared, let's move on. What I'm gonna be doing to each section before applying my deep conditioner is lathering my hair with aloe vera gel. Some of the benefits of aloe vera gel or aloe vera period is that it repairs dead skin cells in the scalp, it conditions your hair, promotes hair growth, all while leaving it smooth and shiny, as well as other things. But these are some of the most important things to me that I benefit from using aloe vera. So I'm gonna be doing that and applying my deep conditioner throughout my hair right after applying that. As you can see, I am twisting my hair again after applying my conditioner, and I'm going to let my hair deep condition in these twists as well. Oh, and you're gonna wanna wear a shirt that you don't mind getting dirty. This stuff will definitely drip, so make sure you are over a sink or a towel or something so that you don't get your floors all messed up. Now, after I give you this 360, I'm gonna show you how much conditioner I have left over. It's more than enough for someone with as much length and thickness as me. Now we're gonna put our aluminum cap on. I use a grocery bag to cover my aluminum cap because the conditioner from my hair soaks through the cap and gets onto my skin. So the grocery bag is kind of for like extra security so that all of that conditioner doesn't fall on me. And also it helps to keep the heat on top of your head even more. And this is what my hair looks like after 40 minutes are up. I usually go an hour, but since I had something to do right after this video, I cut it down to 20 or to 40 minutes, which is just fine. But typically I do go a whole hour. I do leave my twist in when I rinse out my conditioner as well, and this is what it looks like. And I blot it dry with a t-shirt and I let it air dry over the course of 24 hours in these same twists. I ended up styling my hair in a braid out / twist out that I unfortunately did not capture for this video, but I did take some pictures of what my hair looked like when I took my braids down, and they were beautiful. This is my hair after I separated that braid out twist out. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and I'll see you next time.